Good morning. We are off to set the red bird free. Let's see how easy or difficult this is going to be.
There he is, about there in the back.
Sure is.
Well, at least he lived.
Yes, he did. Well, I think he's going to be able to just fly directly out.
Let's hope.
I have wanted a bird in my greenhouse. I thought about buying some canaries. But no, if you keep going that way, he's going toward the door. There he went.
Yay, we rescued us.
All right. Well, okay. Well, that was simple.
I moved my nerve plant over there.
Okay. What did you put there in the
The poinsettia.
poinsettia? Okay. Okay. And there's the garden. We have yellow wax beans to pick today. There are beans everywhere. The butter beans are blooming again. Okay. Okay. Well, I want everyone to have a great morning. And ciao.